Cola Pops, and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. I'm your girl Nicola. Thank you so much for your love and your support. To anyone that's stopping by, you're more than welcome to stop by, and thank you so much for stopping by. Please, let's be friends. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that you will see when I post a new video. Okay, I want you guys to leave comments below, and when you're leaving the comments, I want you to tell me what country you're from, what city you're repping, what have you. I also want you to leave some comments and tell me what videos you want me to be putting out for you. Okay, I did put out a video before, and it was for prom, and this is another video for prom. Mainly because that one was very neutral, and I thought there's still people out there that wanna rock the smoky eye look, and it's very classic, and anyone can rock it. Whatever complexion you are, you can still rock a smoky eye. Please make sure that we're spreading the love. Please like, comment, and share the videos, and until next time, love you. So my eyelids are already primed and ready to go. I used the MAC Paint Pot Layin Low. Today I'll be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the first color that I'm laying down is burnt orange, and I'm using that as my transition shade. I'm using that all the way up to my brow and blending it out. So when you're creating a smoky eye, you want to make sure that there's no color contrast. Every color that you use should complement the color that you already placed down. So this next shade that I will be using is another burnt orange shade, but it's just deeper. So you want to place that under your transition shade, but blending it up into the transition shade so that everything just looks seamless. You want to blend until it looks blown out. I think I need to speak to Miss Anastasia because her palettes don't have a black in there. But anyways, I'm using the Morphe 15S palette, and I'm using Off Camera as my black. And you just want to pat that on at first and then blend it out, and you want to blend that into the brown shade that we just placed. And make sure everything looks blown out and perfect. Now, if you wanted to intensify the black that you're placing down, what you can do as a little trick is just color in your immediate eyelid with a black eyeliner, like a black kohl pencil, and then blend it out. Then you put the black on top. But I didn't really want to go for that really harsh black look, so I just went straight in with the Off Camera from the palette. So I didn't use a pencil to smoke out my waterline. I actually just used the Off Camera, that's a black color from the 15S palette, and I wet the brush so that it did come off pretty intense. And then I used Realgar and burnt orange to smoke it out even further. So if you're feeling a little bit risky, you could go ahead and add some glitter to your immediate eyelid, and I would recommend adding just a black glitter just to step it up a notch, but I didn't do so because I'm going to bed. It's gonna be too much to take off.
Okay, so when you have a bold eye, you don't want to go with a bold lip. Always try to stay in the more neutral tones for your lips. You don't want to look showgirly. I mean, if that's your thing and you want to look showgirly, go ahead. But today I'm using my NYX liner in Toast, and I'll be using MAC Peachstock as my lipstick, and that will just give me a perfect nude color. Now I'll be adding my Tarte glitter lip paint to that just for a little bit of gloss, and that's it.